Here's a Daikin 2-ton condensing unit we just got done installing today. It's a one-on-one, so there's one 2-ton wall mount in the upstairs bedroom. Take you around the house and show you the track. There's a track that we ran down underneath the house, covering it with the refrigerant lines. Goes up to the wall mount we put in the upstairs bedroom. We take you in the house. We also had to pull out an existing side discharge swamp cooler and plate that off. We take you in the house. So there's a 2-ton unit up here in the loft. It's going to cool all this area and even throw cool air to the downstairs. That's all we got for today. We'll see you on the next one.